Repairing products can make the world a better place. Every year, the world's population generates a massive 50 million tons of electronic waste. That's over 50 times the weight of the Golden Gate Bridge. How is Cisco helping reduce all this waste? We're making an enormous difference by repairing and reusing products and contributing to the circular economy. Even the best-made products encounter problems during their life cycle. When they do, some companies toss them aside. We don't think that's a great idea. We'd rather fix them. That's why our products go to global repair sites where they're tested, repaired, and sent back out for reuse. Products can be repaired and reused multiple times, and that saves us $400 million annually. When they can no longer be repaired, we recycle them at a Cisco-approved facility. Cisco delivers over 1 million repaired parts each year throughout the world. This is good for the environment, and it ensures we have the right parts available for our customers at the right place and at the right time. By contributing to the circular economy, Cisco Services is helping lead the way in promoting a sustainable future.